video from Ginger One. Now I have another thing to show you guys is the tweak. What is it? App. Well, let's see the app. So I have a series of Cydia tweaks and Cydia apps. Now this app is on Ringtones. Now what you have to do is be jailbroken as on all my devices. As all my devices. As in all my videos have said. I don't want it to be repetitive. But what you're gonna have to do is it should be already in the Big Boss repository. Now you go into search and you put Ringtones. Now there's a whole bunch that pops up, but yeah, it's in the Big Boss. Now what you'll do, you'll see right here, and it'll install Tone Enabler. And as I understand, Tone Enabler works on the newest firmware right now. What you want to do is that when you go into here on Ringtones, it's gonna have an ad that pops up. So yeah, here it comes. Yep. You could type in, let's say Miguel. As you can see, it's a whole bunch of these right here. Now let me see if they have Miguel. Let's see if it's him. Oh, Asher Roth. Featuring Miguel. Okay, his dream. Okay, that's what I had it. Okay. Now, what you'll do, there's the add to ringtones, which you can do. I'm going to show you, and you can press the play.